examples first. A equals to 2 greater than 5 question mark of 10:20. Simple X. Is a small one or big one? Evaluation's procedure is the same, so better to go. So what you have to do first? Speak out. What you have to do first? What is the first step?
Evaluate the condition.
Evaluate expression 1.
First of all, split this expression into 3 arguments. Apply the conditions. Now, even though you are applying the condition, doesn't matter. Number of question mark colon should be same. How many question mark? Only one. How many colon? Only one. 1:1. Fine. Every colon match with second condition, third condition is not important here. So first of all, you decided, okay, number of question mark and colons are same. So my expression is a value. Then what we have to do? We have to split our expression into 3 arguments. How we are going to split the expression into 3 arguments? Up to question mark. Up to question mark. This one you should be considered as a left side. Okay? Up to question mark you should be considered as a left side. After question mark, before colon, see here it is very simple, it's a small one, that's why it's easy, but I will give a very big expressions also. Up to question mark, consider as a left. After question mark, before colon, consider as a middle. After colon, before semicolon, consider as a right side. That's it. So first evaluate it. Normally check number of question mark and colon. Looks like fine, then split. How to split? Up to question mark, left side. After first question mark, after question mark, before colon, middle. After colon, before semicolon, right side. Now I have to evaluate. Which part is a condition? Which part is a condition?
Left.
Left side. Now this is the decision making for me. 2 greater than 5. Is it true or false? 2 greater than 5. Is it true or false? False. It's false. So which value I have to? Expression
20.
false. Which value have to collect? Which part I have to collect? Right side part. What is the right side part?
20.
This is my return. Okay. Well, very good. Let's move next one. A equals to 5 less than 8 question mark 10:20. So first check number of question mark and colons. So how many question mark colon we have? Only one question mark, one colon. That's fine. Which part is the left side part? Up to question mark is the left side part. After question mark, before colon is the middle part. After colon, before semicolon is the right side part. Start evaluation. Where we have to start evaluate? Towards the left side argument. What it is says, 5 less than 8, is it true or false?
True.
5 less than 8, is it true? So if it's true, which value we have to collect?
Middle
Which
value.
value we have to
10.
collect? Middle value. What is the middle value?
10.
And A equals to 2 greater than 5 question mark of 10 colon 5 less than 8 question mark of 20 colon of 30. Two greater than
30.
It's 20, sir.
2 greater than 5 question mark of 10 colon 5 less than 8 question mark of 20 colon of 30. So previously whatever the example we are working, we have only last 3 example, 1 question mark, 1 colon is there, very simple evaluation. But here if you look, there are multiple question mark colons are there, right? When you have multiple question mark and colon, how we will evaluate this expression? So I will give one particular procedure, try to follow that one. Very simple procedure I will give. So number of expression can be 1 or 2. There are maybe 1 question mark 1 colon, or maybe 2 question mark 2 colon, or 3 or 4, or any number of question mark colon. Try to follow this procedure. 200% you will get the answer. What you have to do? Simply give the numbers. Okay. So for every question mark, try to give a number. Okay. Try to give a number for a question mark. Now I will say this is 1, this is 2. Right? For every question mark, try to give a number. After that, every colon, just give corresponding question mark. Every colon, try to give corresponding question mark. Now this is a colon, right? So what is the condition number 2 is saying that every colon should match with just before the question mark. So this is going to match with this one. This is going to match with this one. So that colon number, try to give corresponding question mark number. Remember, first give the number for question marks. First give the numbers for question mark. Then try to give the colon number. But when you are giving the colon numbers must be corresponding question mark number. So it is also 1, it is also 2. 1, 1, 2, 2. Right. Then split. How to split? So up to first question mark, you should call as left side. Up to first question mark, you should call as a left side. Up to first question mark. मेरे expression में this one is my left side. Up to first question mark. Then second one. After first question mark, after first question mark, before first colon, we should call middle. After first question mark, before first colon, we should call as a middle. That means only 10 is a middle. Okay, and third one. After first colon, before semicolon, that is right side. ये है condition. That means after first question mark, before semicolon, this is your right side part. Expression कितने भी बड़ा होने दो, यही काम है. So the expression is a small or big, this is a procedure. Number 1, every question mark, try to provide a number. Okay, for every question mark, try to provide a number, and the colon number must be corresponding question mark numbers. Then up to first question mark, up to first question mark, that is a left side expression. After first question mark, before first colon, that is a middle expression. After first colon, before semicolon, that is a right side expression. That is right side expression. So I got 3 arguments. Now evaluate. Where we have to evaluate? Left side. What is the left side expression? 2 greater than 5. Is it true or false?
False.
2 greater than 5. Is it true or false? False. So if it is false, we have to collect right side. But right side there is a value. Right side we have value or expression?
Expression.
Expression. We have expression in the right side. So when we have a expression in the right side, you pick complete expression. You should pick the complete expression in the second stage. So you pick that one. 5 less than 8, question mark, 20 colon 30. Again, same procedure. What you have to do? Split question mark left. This is middle. This is right. 5 less than 8. Is it true or false?
True.
True. If
True.
it is true, what is the written value?
Middle part.
Middle part. So the output is 20. A equals to 5 less than 8 question mark. Come on. 2 not equal to 2 greater than 5 question mark. 20, 10, 30. Take your time, evaluate it.
This conference will now be recorded.
So generally, whenever you are going to check this expression, according to our conditions, we say, okay, this is invalid expression. This may not be valid. It's error, but it's not error actually. You should be follow proper evaluation stage. Okay. So when you have multiple question mark and colons, there is no any condition that always the colon should be followed by question mark on. There can be the order mismatch, but 100% it should be proper evaluation, then only consider. So what I'm saying, whenever you have this kind of confusion stage in your mind, better to give a numbers, So this numbering system, 200% you will get the perfect answer actually. Okay, 200% you will gonna get correct answer according to this one. Let's go numbering. What is a numbering system actually? For every question mark, try to give a number. Okay, one sequence number. I will say, okay, this is number 1, this is number 2. First question mark, second. What is the second one? Every colon, try to provide the corresponding question mark number. Every colon should be get corresponding question mark. So this one is a first colon or second colon? Can you tell me? After 20, whatever the colon is there's a first one or second one?
Second one.
First one.
Second. It's not a first one. It's wrong. If you say it is a first one, it will get wrong actually. Why it is a second one? What is the rule number 2 says? Every colon should match with just before the question mark. Every colon should match with just before the question mark. So this colon before what is present? 1 or 2, 2. So this is going to match with this one. So this is not the first colon. This should be the second colon actually. It is number 2. If this step is wrong, then the expression became wrong. Every question mark number you have to provide in sequence, but colon number must be matching question mark number only. Okay, so that colon is matching with just before which question mark it represents? Second one. So it is 2. Then go forward, it is 1. This is going to match with this one. Done. What is the next one? What's the next one? So the next step, we have to split. What I am saying that up to first question mark left side. Up to first question mark left side. So this is left side. After first question mark, before first colon. After first question mark, before first colon. First colon in the sense, first to corresponding question mark related colon. That means from here onwards up to here, it is middle part. Okay, up to first question mark left side. After first question mark, before first colon middle. After first colon, before semicolon, it is right side. Okay, now take the evaluation here. 5 less than 8, is it true or false? 5 less than 8, is it true or false?
True.
True.
If it is true, which value we have to collect? Which value we have to collect?
Middle.
Middle. Now forget about right side. That means which value I have to eliminate? 30, I'm going to eliminate now. 30 I'm going to eliminate. So I'm going to pick middle part. Remember, when you are picking the middle part, you have to remove first question mark, and that first question mark corresponding colon also you have to remove. Otherwise, second stage number of question mark colon will be mismatched. So when you are eliminating first stage evaluation, you have to remove the first question mark and you have to remove first question mark corresponding colon also. So the next expression became 2 not equals to 2 greater than 5 question mark of 20 of 10 semicolon. This is become finally 1:1 again. It's very simple. If it is 1:1, nothing to do, right? It is left, it is middle, this is the right side. Evaluation I will take on the left side. So first set, this one, 2 greater than 5. The value of 2 greater than 5 is what? The value of 2 greater than 5 is how much? 0.
1.
So 2 greater than 5.
0,
False.
0.
So
0.
2 not equal to 0, question mark of 20, colon of 10. 2 not equal to 0. So this is left, this is middle, this is right. 2 not equal to 0, true or false? True. Return value 20.